Oh, hey. Hello there. My name's Josh. Welcome to Fabled Finds. Let me help you out. All right. So today we are out in sunny Chico, California to return to a creek that I visited recently and did some trash cleaning out of. And let me go ahead and show you a look, give you a look around real quick. You can check out some of this beautiful area out here. So last time I was here, we looked at this side of the creek and I walked it from here all the way up to Esplanade, and I found some obsidian and some copper and a lot of trash, and I managed to haul out a whole contractor bag full of trash. But today, no trash. I'm just out here on my bike, and I'm just out here to search for treasure because I've been wanting to go to this other side of the creek and explore what's that way, because I've never been that way. I imagine it goes almost all the way out to the river. Don't think I'll go quite that far, but you never know. So real quick, I'm just gonna zip up my bag. We got a car coming. All right, let me take you down with me. And then when we get down here, I'm gonna set up my go-to camera. And basically I'm gonna just take some shots of any treasures I come across, and I'll turn the camera back on if for some reason I need to do that today.
A little wetter than usual, the hill's sliding away more. The more I come down here, and the more trash that accumulates.
Well, I'm already a couple steps in, and I found a piece of quartz potentially that might have some iron or some gold in there. So yeah, first find of the day, I think. I'm gonna keep it and find out. All right, let's go. All right, we found our first golf ball. I collect these and put them in a bin back at the house, and they add up. All right, we got our second golf ball. Nice. So I just came across what I believe is a mulberry bush. And there's berries. I've seen them on the ground. And I did see blackberries down here, so if you're fortunate on your next hike down here, you may be able to taste some of nature's bounty. Well, I'm just about to walk this plank for the B-roll shot, when out of my eye I spy another golf ball. Nice. I think that's 4 golf balls today. Another treasure. 11. Sweet. So peaceful down here. I love just coming and walking. Even if you don't find anything, there's no people around. You can't hear any cars. You might hear some farm tools running in the background once in a while, but man, I really think Lindo Channel, the Sandy Gulch, is one of Chico's best gems, for sure. Amazing place. Oh wow. Check this out. Isn't that neat? This must have been from the old gravel mill, Sandy Gulch. It's still got a bunch of whole stones in it. Wow. I'm going to take a picture of that, but I'm going to leave it for someone else to find and haul out of here because it's a little heavy for my pack and I've already got a lot of weight today. Looks like maybe some old bottles, some old quartz. Well, somehow we made it to another bridge. So, don't know what this bridge is. Can't say I've ever seen this bridge before anytime I've been out here. So I think this is probably a good spot to turn around because I have no idea where I am, to be honest. And it's not a lot of treasure right now. But let's go ahead and just take a look anyway. Looks like we've got company, Chewy. With a lot of iron. Looks like some old horseshoes. It's pretty cool. Seriously, I mean it. I'm gonna turn around. You better smash that like button. No, in all seriousness, I'm still walking. Had a little lunch, had a little water, feel a little better now, so I'm gonna keep going. Gosh, so beautiful down here, like I don't even want to go home. And I'm not even halfway because I haven't stopped, and I still have to walk all the way back. So, there's that. This looks like it might have been part of an old bridge that was here, although it's hard to tell. Some kind of cages or traps, fencing, a bunch of it. Well, if anyone's looking for a scrap metal haul, here you go. Oh, there's the eagle. You guys hear him? Maybe we'll see him. So you can tell someone else has definitely been down here doing some gold panning. Looks like they're trying to pry off these layers. Wouldn't be surprised. Let's take a look. Maybe they found something. I do see some little speckles, but nothing's jumping out at me. If you see a gold nugget, you let me know in the comments so I know to come back here. I don't see anything. I did a little gold panning upstream on this creek once a couple months ago to test out my gold pan and get it weathered in for July. And I didn't even get a speck. I think I maybe had one little flower gold flake out of like 10 buckets. So definitely not a lot in here. All right, let's see if we can see that eagle again. Oh yeah, look at that. Boy, there's two of them. Might just be hawks. They don't look like vultures. But that's cool. It's not too often you see a hunting pair together. Very neat. Hey guys. Hey. All right, well, let's keep walking so these guys don't think I'm food. Guys, look, I've gone pretty far now. If you've liked this and you're watching until now, go ahead and smash that like button for me, please. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm a new creator. Helps the channel, helps the algorithm. And if you want to share it on some social media platforms with your friends, please do. Thank you so much. So, just wanted to get that in there. So I'm going to take you down here for one last quick sweep with me, and we'll see if we find anything else. Well, I think this is the most well-lit spot on the trip so far. Let me hold you up so I can show you. So right now I'm just walking really slow over this area. See if anything catches my eye. Well, that's kind of neat. I'm guessing this is some kind of old farm tool or shovel. I'm going to leave this right here, but maybe I'll pick it up on the way back and we'll add it to our finds. Pretty cool. All right, there's another golf ball. I lost count. I think it's 5. So, Comment down below and let me know what you think this is. Could be some kind of wheel. Could be a stroller. Oh, you know what? I bet you. Look how the wheels are seated. 1, 2, 3, and I'm guessing there's a. Yep, look, there it is. There's the fourth one. You know, wow. Okay, that is an entire stroller buried upside down underneath this gravel bar. That's how long trash has been accumulating here. That's incredible. Wow. That is so cool. All right. These roots always remind me of something you'd see on Dagobah in Star Wars. I think that's why I love this so much. Super cool. All right, well, we haven't found any more treasure. It's been a while. I might find a place I can set up some lunch soon. Gold glitter. Hey, look, guys, we found gold. Awesome. Well, we found gold. So I'm going to go ahead and look for a place to have lunch and maybe set up the tripod for a minute. And I'll let you know if I find any other treasure. Otherwise, we might start hiking back soon. Well, they say one man's trash is another man's treasure, but I'm not really seeing much here that looks like treasure. I think the real treasure today is this trail mix from Target. It's not sponsored, but I recently got lost in the trail mix aisle, so I grabbed a few bags to try out. And I gotta say, these are really good. Normally I wouldn't endorse something like this, but I had the idea to share with you that if you find a trail mix you like, go over to a place that sells in bulk like Winco and make your own. It's gonna be much cheaper than buying it like this by the bag. So now you know. So between here and the last area, I found another golf ball and I found a pair of pliers, and that's it. So I was actually kind of surprised to see there's not as much trash on this side of the creek. I thought there actually would have been more accumulation the further downstream we got. There is still a lot of trash, but definitely not as much as the Chico side of the bridge. Not a lot of treasure down here either, but gosh, it sure is beautiful, and it sure is peaceful. So I'm gonna go ahead and hike out of here. I just wanted to say thank you for watching today. I think this is the end of our journey. Haven't found any more treasure. It's been over an hour and a half later since that other bridge. I think I've been out here for almost 3 hours now. So I'm gonna go ahead and run back to my bike and get out of here. Well, there you have it, folks. Another grand adventure coming to a close. Thank you so much for watching today. Let's check out the treasure we found real quick. And there it is, our glitter, our dinosaur, piece of quartz with maybe some gold in it. We still got to check that out later. Got a domino, some pliers, 6 golf balls. All right. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure.